welcome to the End School. Please take your seats. The class begins. Hello friends, this is your trainer for the day, and today I'm going to present to you a quick introduction to the commodity markets. Are you ready? So what is a commodity? A commodity refers to any good or article that can be used for commerce, that is, for buying and selling. Thus, a commodity is something that has an economic value. Otherwise, it would not be used for commerce or trade, right? Commodity can be bought and sold. That is, one producer who is having a surplus of one particular commodity can barter it for exchange of another commodity or even sell it for money. Commodity is movable so that the buyer of a commodity can carry it with him or her. Commodity is something that allows mass production. That is, it can be produced by n number of producers situated at different places across the globe, and while at the same time maintaining the same quality parameter. So now let's understand a book definition of a commodity. Commodity, as defined by the Chicago Board of Trade, that is CBOT, it says a commodity is an article of commerce or a product that can be used for commerce. Further simplified, products traded onto an authorized commodity exchange are commodity. Classification of commodities. Commodities are basically classified into two types: hard commodities and soft commodities. Hard commodities are typically mined from the ground or taken from other natural resources. In some cases, initial products are refined into further commodities. For example, oil is refined into gasoline. Soft commodities, on the other hand, are typically grown as opposed to hard commodities, which are typically mined or extracted. Soft commodities are mainly the agricultural commodities, such as cereals and pulses, spices, oil and oil seeds, fiber such as cotton, guar, plantation such as rubber. Hard commodities include bullion and precious metals such as gold, silver, palladium. Base metals are also hard commodities such as copper, steel, zinc, aluminium, nickel. Hard commodities also include energy such as crude oil, gas, and coal. Commodities in real life. Commodities are everywhere in our day-to-day lives. The jewelry that we wear consists of gold as a commodity. The bread that we consume consists of wheat as a commodity. The car that we drive around in consists of petrol as a commodity. The clothes that we wear consist of cotton as a commodity. There is copper in all the electronics and the electrical wirings and fittings. There's a sugar as a commodity in our sweets that we enjoy. There is coffee as a commodity that we sip all through the day. So commodities are everywhere. Commodities are thus a part of our DNA. Characteristics of a commodity, which make it unique and different from the other asset classes. So which are those characteristics? The first one, seasonality. Crops and most of the industrial commodities witness seasonal cycles of demand and supply, that is, demand and production. Weather. No other asset class is so much influenced by the weather pattern such as commodities. Storage and delivery. Unlike equities, commodities need a defined storage space, and a physical delivery or exchange of goods is required in most of the cases. Correlation. Unlike any other asset class, commodities are positively and negatively correlated within and outside the group, which is unique to commodities only. For example, increase in prices of chana as a pulse category would result in increase in prices of urad and tur. Hedge. Commodities provide natural hedge against inflation, war, other asset portfolios, recession, etc. For example, gold. Gold is considered as a hedge against currency or inflation. Trading in commodities. Commodities are traded onto the global marketplace as a part of a diversified investment portfolio. Commodities can be traded on either physical or spot markets, that is real time markets, or futures and forwards markets. Please look forward to the next tutorial on different types of commodity markets. This is your trainer signing off for the day. Hope you had a great learning curve with this video tutorial of NCDX. NCDX, Pragati Ka Solid Exchange.